Sumangala Steel Private Limited. I take immense pleasure in welcoming you all to this momentous evening as we are about to embark the journey of some young, deserving minds. A special mention, Vice Chancellor, Anna University. We welcome you, sir. Sabanayagan, the press chief guest of the event, to grace the dais. I would now request Mr. Ashwin Sabanayagan, the President, Sumangala Steel Private Limited. K. Vijay Kumar, the Chief General Manager, Sumangala Steel Private Limited, 1985, is one of the pioneers of the steel industry in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry and has been in the forefront of technology over the last 35 years. Today, as Sumangala wanted to give back to its community by instituting the Sumangala Ungal Kuzhandayum Aagalaam Engineer Scholarship, a corporate
This is just to tell you the nature of this company. When the scholarship kudukradhe ungalku oru vadavaiya irukkanonu ana adoda mukkiyama ungala avanga veetukulla varade irukradhukaga
building kode bookamma Sumangala TMT 35 வருஷமா உருக்கிய ஸ்டீல் உருவாக்கியதால் Sumangala Steel புரிந்தவர்கள்.
Vice Chancellor, Anna University, who has taken time from his busy academic and professional schedule to be with us this evening and give away the awards. Professor Vilraj, part in agreeing to give the awards at this milestone moment of those aspiring to be engineers will be cherished by all of them. For Professor Vilraj. While technology has been the foundation, obviously, in human resources, from day one to what our vision and thought process was when we instituted the CSR initiative. In the past, we gave CSR to many NGOs and good causes. We're happy to give them. But it didn't serve the purpose of our community. Who are our community? Our community are none other than the construction workers who toil day in and day out in building our cities, our infrastructure and homes. They are the employees who work in our dealerships, not just in our dealerships, but dealerships in general. Not only our unload the steel on their shoulders day in and day out, stock them and again reload them and deliver it to construction sites. These workers and employees work for engineers, they are supervised by engineers, they are directed by engineers. Natural that they aspire that one day their children would become engineers, for whom, like the engineers for whom they work for. Therefore, it was this thought that Mr. Prabhakar conceptualized with my son and me one day, that instead of giving away money to various NGOs where we really don't know where the money goes, let us take this money and invest it in our community. And our community meaning the children of the people who work in construction sites and in steel dealerships. That was the vision and the thought of our CSR initiative.
CSR activity received more than 1,000 plus application, and only the deserving and lucky 18 students have met the eligible criteria and grabbed the opportunity to be at this event today. Chief guest Dr. Vilraj, Vice Chancellor, Anna University, and our beloved MD Rajendran Sabanayagan to hand over the scholarships, and I request our beloved President Ashwin Sabanayagan to hand over the laptop to the students. A construction worker from Dindukal. Can you please put your hands together for Mr. Krishna Pandi on receiving his... We wish you Mr. Yam Sridhar, son of a construction worker from Dharmapuri, and Mr. Sridhar is admitted in R.P. Sarathi Institute of Technology, Salem. Ladies and gentlemen, can you all please give a big round of applause to encourage them in coming out in bright colors. Hearty congratulations, Arigumaniki. Big round of applause to welcome Mr. Sri Sabari. All the very best, Mr. Sabari. All the very best, Ms. Jivita. I would next like to welcome Ms. G. Priyadashini, Marketing Executive at KSOP Steel from Dindigul, and she is admitted in PSNA College of Engineering and Technology. I would next like to welcome Mr. V. Muthukumar, I would next like to welcome Ms. R. Yuvash. I would next like to welcome Mr. Yam Tiruchi.
You should have some knowledge in artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, this robotics, this automation field only is going to come. Automation through this IoT and artificial intelligence and machine learning. So these subjects also you should learn during your engineering field. So sometimes many engineering students, they come out from the engineering without doing some, the emerging will not be respected in the companies because you cannot contribute in the near future. So I request all the students who are here, who received scholarship, to develop some skills in the emerging field along with your domain field. Then only you will become a full-fledged engineer. Otherwise, hereafter, the value will be very less. The value addition you are giving, no, where any business, through small value addition, the value will become very high. So now, for any engineering student, the value addition is with some knowledge in emerging field. So that additional knowledge in emerging field, you can do sometimes in your college, if you are not taught these subjects, you can additionally, you can learn some certificate course and get that knowledge. That is very, very important.